Hello guys, as you know, power clamp meter model RISH clamp power 1000 ampere AC/DC and 400 ampere AC/DC comes with the mobile application facility. The meter comes with the connectivity of mobile application software via Bluetooth. To connect the meter with Android phone, meter should be in a discoverable mode. To enter into a discoverable mode, press Bluetooth key and simultaneously turn on the meter. When the meter goes into discoverable mode, on symbol will start blinking. Download and install the mobile application PCM Connect on your phone from the Google Play Store. Turn on the Bluetooth of your phone and pair your device from the list of available devices using a pairing key. One, two, three, four. Kindly note the Bluetooth number of the meter is pasted inside the battery compartment as shown. The Bluetooth number of this meter is PCM4C95. Once the device is paired with your phone, then open the PCM Connect application. Press the three dot button in the application as shown. From the drop down menu, press Scan button, then select your device from the Bluetooth list. If your device is not shown in the Bluetooth device list, then press Scan for the device button to refresh the list. Make sure that your device is paired with your phone Bluetooth. On successful connection with the meter, the following screen will be displayed and the meter is now connected to your phone. Now, before pressing the start button, you can see the meter knob is on the AC voltage. And I have connected the meter into 230 volt main socket. When the meter measures the voltage, the same AC volt is replicated in the mobile application. So I have pressed the start button and you can see in the mobile app there are two displays on the screen. In the primary display you can see the AC voltage and in the secondary display you can see the frequency. From the drop down menu of both the display you can select different parameters like VRMS, TSD in percentage, distortion factor in percentage, crest factor, maximum and minimum peak, frequency and harmonic from 1 to 49. So you can measure two parameters in both the display, primary as well as secondary display. After measuring the AC voltage, I will switch the meter knob into single phase 2-wire system. Measure various parameters in both primary and secondary display like apparent power, power factor, horsepower, reactive power, active power, phase angle, voltage, current and load type. Similarly, you can also measure the various parameters in secondary display. Likewise, you can also measure all the parameters in 3-phase 4-wire and 3-phase 3-wire system. Now, if I press the trend button in the mobile app, the screen will switch into trend display in which you can see the graph between the voltage and time. If I press the data log button on the display, then the logging of the reading will start into the mobile application. After pressing the data log, it will ask you for the file name. Example, I will enter the file name as PCM1. And if I press the enter button, the data logging will start automatically. After pressing the stop button, you will get the window that the data logging has been stopped, and it will show you the location of the particular file where the data has been stored with the file name PCM1 in the mobile storage. Now go to the file manager in your mobile. Search for app.pcm folder. And you can see the Excel file of the reading stored in the folder with the name PCM1. Open the Excel file and you will see all the readings with date and time, with voltage measurement, TSD in percentage, distortion factor in percentage, maximum and minimum peak voltage, frequency and harmonics from 1 to 49. Now I will show you the process to retrieve the log reading from the meter into the mobile phone. Press the read icon. It will take few seconds to transfer the file from power clamp meter to mobile phone via Bluetooth. After transferring, it will show you the number of files which are retired from the meter. Select the desired file to store into your mobile phone. While transferring, again it will take few seconds. And it will show you the location where the file has been stored in the mobile phone. Now go to the file manager in your mobile. Search for app.pcm folder. And you can see your Excel file of the reading, that is file number 3, stored in the folder. The Excel file will show you all the readings with date and time. Thanks for watching the mobile application video of power clamp meter Bluetooth.